Hello friends, today we will discuss panel data. Panel data is also known as longitudinal data or cross-sectional time series data. It is a type of data set that combines both time series and cross-sectional data. It tracks the same individuals, households, firms, or countries over time. This structure provides valuable insights into dynamic processes and changes over time. So main characteristics of panel data are first, multiple dimensions. It involves observations on multiple entities like individuals, firms, countries, etc. over multiple time periods. Second is repeated measurements. The same entities are observed repeatedly at different points in time. Both time series and cross-sectional variation it captures both variations across entities, cross-sectional, and changes within each entity over time, so which is time series. We can understand with an example. Analyzing economic growth of countries. Suppose we are studying the economic growth of 5 countries, namely USA, China, India, Germany, and Japan over a decade, that is 2010 to 2019. We collect data on various economic indicators like GDP, per capita investment rates, and inflation rates for each country in each year. This data set would be a panel data set. Why is panel data valuable? Because it controls for unobserved heterogeneity. Panel data helps to control for unobserved factors that are constant over time for each entity but vary across entities. For example, in our economic growth example, cultural factors, institutional quality, or historical legacies might influence a country's economic performance. Increased efficiency is the second point. By observing the same entity over time, panel data provides more observations and reduces the impact of random noise, leading to more efficient statistical estimates. Then comes dynamic analysis. Panel data allows researchers to study how variables change over time, and these changes are related to other variables. For example, we can analyze how changes in investment rates affect economic growth over time. Then comes causal inference. Panel data can help to establish causal relationship by controlling for time invariant factors and exploiting within entity variation over time. Types of panel data. First is balanced panel. All entities are observed for the same number of time periods. Second is unbalanced panel. Some entities are observed for fewer time periods than others. Common panel data models. The models are first, pooled OLS assumes that relationship between variable is the same across all entities and time periods. Then second is fixed effects model. Controls for unobserved time invariant heterogeneity across entities. Third is random effects model. These are the models of panel data. So it assumes that unobserved heterogeneity is uncorrelated with the explanatory variables. Panel data is applied in economics, studying economic growth, labor economics, finance, and international trade. It is applied in sociology for analyzing social mobility, family dynamics, and crime rates. In political science, it is applied for investigating political behavior, voting patterns, and policy effects. In marketing, it is used for understanding consumer behavior, brand loyalty, and markets segmentation.